We raised $250,000 in 24 hours for this man and his son, and here's how we did it.
Today we're at Burger King and we're gonna find the kindest king of Compton, and we're gonna give him $1,000 and bring him to the king of the Los Angeles Lakers. Excuse me, sir. You wanna buy my mystery crown for $1?
I ain't got no money, bro.
No buck?
Nah.
You got anything?
We doing bad right now, bro.
Are you doing bad? What's your name?
Donald, bro.
Pardon?
Donald.
I'm Zachary. What's your name, man?
Joseph.
Joseph, you like basketball?
Yeah.
Crown's for you, man. No problem. You like it?
Yeah.
You know why I gave you a crown?
Yeah.
Because you're a king. It's a crown for you too, man.
All right, appreciate it, bro.
You want the basketball too?
Yeah.
How's your day going?
All right.
What are you guys up to?
Just chilling, about to spend a little rest of the money getting this haircut. We have Autistic.
Who's your favorite basketball player? Mine's Kobe. Who's yours?
Coach.
Kobe. Are you from Los Angeles? Where are you from?
I'm from South Carolina,
South Carolina.
but I was raised out here I've been out here since I was 5. I'm 44 now.
And what's your son?
He's 8.
So the first person who's gonna rock the crown like the basketball? I kid you not. I got 1,000 cash.
How you playing, man?
$1,000.
Sure.
I'm 100% positive, man.
Ain't no police.
Look around, man. 1,000 cash. Come over here, man. Love you, bro.
I think I seen y'all before doing this on
No.
YouTube.
Can you use the cash?
Man, I need the cash. You want me to tell you why?
Sure.
Look at my car.
Donald opened his trunk and showed me all of his and his son Joseph's belongings. Him and his son were living in this car, and they had been so for 5 months now. I asked Donald what his dream was.
My dream is for him. Get everything he needs, health-wise, and get us into our own apartment, man.
That's unreal, man.
That's it.
I got another surprise, though, for you.
What's that?
I got you guys crowns and a basketball. You guys ever been to a Laker game before?
No, we ain't never.
You're going to the Laker game tonight.
Tonight.
We're going to the Laker game. He's coming, too.
Okay.
We're going to meet all the players, and we got courtside access.
Oh, man.
And we're pulling up in a Lambo. How's that sound to you, man? I have no idea what it's like, what you're going through right now, man. I saw you and your son, I assumed, and I was like, let's do it, man. That's a lot to process.
I like y'all, man.
Oh, I like
Man,
you. I'm just so happy we connected, man. How long you been living in here for?
Well, we was in a shelter. We've been in this car for about 5 months now.
You got a
Going
son
through
too,
stuff.
man.
I got a son, and a whole lot of other stuff was going on.
What does he need?
What
Your
does he
son?
need?
Yeah.
Clothes and shoes, man.
We still had a few hours before the Lakers game, so what better time to get him looking fresh? Can you do me a favor? Can you make sure his hair is fresh tonight?
Yeah.
Because he's gonna meet LeBron James.
Okay.
What's your name?
Louis.
I'm Zachary. Nice to meet you, man. How long you been here for?
32 years.
Oh.
Been here 67 years.
He said you're the GOAT, man. Yeah, man. So if you're in the LA area, stop by L&D Barbershop. Now that we got Donald and Joseph both fresh fades, it was time to go shopping and get ready for this game. We're gonna be going to the game. We gotta be looking fresh, though.
Okay.
We got this for you. Got the Laker gear right here, man. LeBron jersey for you.
Yeah.
You wanna rock that?
Yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Should put it on right now. Your first basketball game?
Yeah.
You're looking good, man. All right, let's get whatever you guys want. You ready for the? You want to take your snacks? We'll hold the snacks for you. We need to like roll in style to the game. See that over there?
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that? You want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Wanna go check it out?
Yeah.
Go check it out. It was only right that we pulled up in style, so we rented Joseph's dream car, a Lamborghini Huracan Spider.
I love it.
So I guess now we're gonna head to the game. Just want to give you a little bit of that experience and surprise you. Hope you like that.
Ooh, yeah, that was.
You ready for the game?
I'm playing NBA Live right now. What's up, young fellas? How you doing, man? What's your name? Joseph. And I'm Coach Phil. What's up, boss? What's your name? Donald, man. Coach Phil. Pleasure to have you guys, man. J's on them.
This is first Lakers game, man.
For real?
We gotta get a dub for you then.
Game tonight? Oh, yeah. I'm ready to see you. Hopefully we can get a dub for y'all.
Dennis, we need more than shades.
Got some swag, man.
Sir, can I have one too?
Am I allowed to do that on that one? You want to get me in trouble? First game? First game ever.
Nice to meet you, Joseph. How are you? You gotta put them on. You gotta put them on. There you go. Attaboy.
Good, man. Enjoy. I appreciate you coming to support us.
You want to play with basketball? Here, play with it for a little bit. Here you go. There you go. We're doing this right here. Here we go. Yay! Oh, yeah.
Back to back?
Woo! Good job, little man. All right. Enjoy the game.
So after the Lakers game, I went home and posted the video of Donald and Joseph, and it blew up. You guys went crazy. The video got over 50 million views, 9 million likes, and in just 24 hours, we raised over $200,000. So the next morning, I went back to Compton to tell them the good news, and this is what happened. Donald! What's going on, man?
You had me looking at every video you made, bro.
How you guys doing?
Man, we doing good. Hey, I didn't say your name, right? I said, you know, the guy.
How you been?
Good.
You guys been good?
Yeah.
And I didn't tell him your name
You
yet.
must go to
I said, the
Lakers
guy
game.
gonna take us to the Lakers game for the cup. He said, oh, I said, how you know it's that fast?
You see what we were able to do?
Yeah, the GoFundMe page.
Yeah.
Man, I seen that.
$192,000.
Wow.
Man.
And so, you know, remember Josh from before? He's gonna figure out how we're gonna get you like an apartment. You have your own home, man. No more of this. Done.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate you, bro.
And we got some jobs lined up for you too. Got like 5 or 6 jobs lined up. So whatever you want to do for work, we're gonna get you the apartment figured out.
Man, I ain't gonna say stop, man. I ain't gonna say stop, bro. I love you, man.
If you could say something to the people who donated, what would you say to them?
Thank y'all. I love all of y'all. Not only did y'all did this for me, y'all really did that for my son. Right now, my son, he kind of know what's going on, but he don't.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm smiling for him. I'm right now, I'm like, my words is there, but I can't get them out because, man, I'm just...
$190,000, man. It's 100% yours, too. It's all you, boys. Love you.
Thank you, man.
No problem, man. It's not me. Give him a hug, man.
Love, man. Thank you, guys.